What if everything you knew about buying a Dyson was wrong? The marketing, the specs, the influencer reviews, they're all hiding a simple, expensive truth. Today we're not just listing 4 vacuums, we're exposing the one model that Dyson doesn't want the average buyer to discover because it makes the others obsolete. We've tested them all in 2025 and the results will stun you. The number 1 pick isn't the most expensive and the worst performer is a bestseller. Watch closely because by the end of this you'll know exactly how to save hundreds of dollars without sacrificing a single speck of dust. Starting at number 1. Dyson V15 Detect. The Dyson V15 Detect is the best cordless vacuum we've tested. While it's hardly the newest kid on the block, having been replaced by the Dyson Gen 5 Detect as the brand's cordless flagship, it's still a top choice and one that performs very similarly to its successor but at a slightly more attainable price. It's equipped with a 238W suction motor, which is remarkably powerful for a cordless stick vacuum. Its built-in piezo sensor measures and counts debris sucked into the vacuum, so you can monitor allergen levels inside your home, and allows it to change its suction setting depending on the floor type you're on. At about 6.5 pounds, it's heavier than some other stick vacuums on the market, though far from unwieldy. Unfortunately, its strong suction can cause it to get stuck on thick, shag pile rugs. If you're looking for a cordless vacuum that's better suited for those with allergies, the Samsung Bespoke AI Jet Ultra is a solid option. It comes with a charging rack that doubles as a self-emptying station. Debris gets transferred from the vacuum's dustbin through an airtight seal into a dirt bag with the press of a button. However, the Samsung Vacuum automatically adjusts its suction by remarkably slow-acting AI, and its twin-roller floor head is bulkier, making it less maneuverable. Number 2. Shark Stratos Cordless IZ862H. Our best cordless vacuum pick in the mid-range category is the Shark Stratos Cordless. Its bulkier twin-roller floor head and relatively heavy body make it less portable than the Dyson V15 Detect, and its suction motor isn't quite as powerful. That said, it has a few advantages beyond a lower price tag. Like the Dyson, it has an automatic power adjustment system, so it can increase its suction level when passing over an area with a significant concentration of debris. It also has an odor neutralization system in the form of a replaceable cartridge mounted in its floor head. The cartridge emits a laundry detergent-like scent as you clean, though this can quickly become overwhelming if you use the vacuum often. Its maximum battery life of about an hour is fairly long as far as these types of vacuums go, but note that it takes almost 4 hours to recharge, which is inconvenient during longer cleaning sessions. This vacuum's hinged wand means you can clean under most tables and chairs without having to bend down too much. Unfortunately, its floor head can also easily get bogged down in thick pile rugs. Number 3. Tineco PURE ONE S11. The Tineco PURE ONE S11 is the best cordless vacuum cleaner at a mid-range price point that we've tested. Like the pricier Shark Stratos Cordless, it has an automatic power adjustment feature that enables it to increase its suction strength when passing over an area with a large amount of debris. It also features a HEPA filter that's fairly effective in trapping allergens as you clean. This variant of the S11 comes with a combination crevice tool/dusting brush and a miniature turbo brush that's pretty effective in handling pet hair on upholstered furniture. Unfortunately, there are a couple of downsides compared to the Shark. It doesn't feel as sturdily built, has a shorter battery life of around 40 minutes, and doesn't perform as well on carpeted floors. At a little under 6 pounds, it's very easy to pick up and carry, but its floor head pivoting mechanism feels cheap and doesn't operate smoothly, making it challenging to maneuver around furniture and other obstacles. If you're looking for something that feels better built, the Shark Cordless Pro is a good choice, though it performs worse on carpets. Number 4. Dyson Digital Slim. If you're looking for a vacuum that emphasizes portability above all else, check out the Dyson Digital Slim. Compared to the older Dyson Omni-glide, which had a unique pivoting floor head that allowed for near omnidirectional cleaning capability, the Digital Slim opts for a more conventional design that's closer in appearance to a shrunken-down Dyson V15 Detect. While this change does result in less effortless maneuverability, the Digital Slim moves ahead of the Omni-glide in most other respects, with a much improved max battery life of nearly an hour and superior debris pickup performance on carpeted surfaces. That being said, while it offers improvements over its predecessor, it still falls short of the high standards set by top-tier Dysons, like the aforementioned V15. You'll need to make several passes to clean larger debris properly, and it can struggle to lift finer dirt particles pressed deep into carpet fibers. If you don't mind using a slightly heavier vacuum, the Dyson V12 Detect Slim is a good compromise, offering markedly more power than the Digital Slim without the bulk of the full-size V15. So there you have it, the real unfiltered ranking for 2025. No more confusion, just a clear winner for your home and your budget. To get the best possible deal on any of these models, especially our top pick, I've compiled all the direct purchase links in the video description below. Click the first link to check the latest price. If this review saved you from a costly mistake, do me a huge solid, hit that like button, share this with a friend who's about to buy a vacuum, and subscribe, because next week we're tearing apart a viral robot vacuum that's secretly a privacy nightmare. You don't want to miss it. See you then.